If your LinkedIn lead generation still means manually copying profiles into spreadsheets, this tutorial is going to save you hours. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to use Apollo.io for lead generation on LinkedIn, step by step, so you can find the right prospects, pull verified emails, and build an outreach-ready list much faster. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to follow along. By the end, you'll have a clean workflow you can repeat every day. Now, let's dive in. Now, here's what we'll be doing. First, you'll define your ideal prospect, search on LinkedIn, then use Apollo's Chrome extension, enrich profiles with emails and company data, save leads into a list, score and prioritize them, then export for outreach or sequences. This will work well for you if you're working for an agency, SDR teams, founders, recruiters, or lead gen freelancers. Also, B2B service businesses. Once you have tapped on the link in the description, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. From here, you'll be able to create an account for completely free. So you're just going to tap on sign up with Google, or you can tap on sign up for free. After you have signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you're going to see the option right below recommendation to add the Chrome extension, which I recommend that you tap on. So once you have tapped on that link, you'll be redirected to your Chrome web store, and you're just going to add the Chrome extension, as you can see on my screen in the top right hand corner. Once you have added the Chrome extension, you'll be redirected to your LinkedIn page. If you're not redirected to your LinkedIn page, you can simply open LinkedIn. Once you have done that, the next thing that I recommend you do is define your ideal customer profile, better yet your ICP. So this can be, for example, the job title. An example could be marketing manager at SAS, and you can also think about the company size that you'd like to target. So we're just going to tap on the search bar right here, and I'm going to type in B2B SAS. After I've done that, I'm going to tap right here, and we're going to search by people. Once you have selected by people, you can also filter by location. So I'll tap on location, and I'm just going to select United States. I'm going to select show results. After selecting show results, I can tap on the Apollo.io icon in the top right hand corner. And from here, if I were to select a profile for example sake, so let's say for example I were to select one of these profiles. After selecting the profile, you can automatically see that it is enriched on the Apollo plugin. So for example sake, I have a few things that I can do. I can tap on access email, and I'll be able to view their verified email. If it is a case that they have a verified phone number, you'll also be able to view it. Then from there, you can tap on add to list. So I could tap on add to list right here. After I've selected add to list, you're going to more than likely need to create a new list, so you can tap on create new list right here. So let's say I would call this list test. And we're just going to tap on create list and add. So just like that, we have added the contact. You can also go back on LinkedIn. From here, you could tap on all filters. After you have selected all filters, you can filter by companies, as you can see right there. Or you can scroll down, and what I like to do sometimes is by scrolling down, you can search by service categories. So for example, you can tap on add service category, and you could search marketing manager, or you could simply select marketing. Then you'll tap on show result. After you have selected show result, it will filter it even further, as you can see right there. Once it has been filtered from there, you can select, for example, this LinkedIn member. And although you don't have access to the profile, this is where the Apollo.io plugin will come into play. All you'll need to do is simply go onto the website. So we'll go onto this website. As you can see, she's the marketing manager for this website. So we're going to go onto the website. Once on the website, you'll tap on the Apollo.io plugin, and it is going to automatically populate, as you can see right here. Then there are 3 employees. You'll select view. After you have selected view, you can see right here access email. So you can tap on access email, and just like that, you'll be able to access a verified email and also phone number. Once you have done that, you can tap on select, and we'll tap on add to list, select list, and we're going to search for the list that I've created. It is still not there, but you'll simply add it to that particular list, or you can create a new list. So we're just going to tap right here, and I'm going to add it to this list. I will tap on apply, then tap on add. And just like that, you'll be able to add it. So even if you can't find a particular contact that you're looking for or the information on LinkedIn, you can go onto the website, and from there you will be able to search also. So this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Apollo.io Chrome extension, as you'll be able to get verified work email, phone number if available, and also you can filter by company revenue, as you'll be able to see the company revenue and all of the basic information, as you can see right here, about the company. Once you have saved the leads into a targeted Apollo.io list, you're going to go back into Apollo.io. Once in Apollo.io, you can go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can tap on list, and you can see your list right here. So for example, you can tap on the list, and you have a few options. Once here, you could filter the list, or you can simply tap on the particular contact. After you have tapped on the contact, you'll be able to get a lot of information about their company. So for example, you can scroll down, you'll be able to get the company information. You'll also be able to get the annual revenue, as you can see right here, and numerous information. And by scrolling down, you'll also be able to see similar people. So this is another standout feature when it comes onto Apollo.io, and you'll be able to access those emails also, and you'll be able to add it to your list. If it is a case that you're working with a team, you'll be able to add tasks. You can also create notes. And if it is a case that you would like to add it to a sequence, by the way, you can tap right here, add to sequence, and you'll be able to create an Apollo.io sequence, so you can create an email campaign if you want. If you'd like to export it, all you'll need to do is simply go back. Then from here, you're just going to scroll across, and you're going to tap right here where you see the three dots. After you have tapped on the three dots, you can tap on export. And from here, you'll be able to export it as a CSV file, and you'll be able to upload it to whichever platform you want that you use for outreach. So that is basically it. If you're doing LinkedIn lead generation for outbound agencies or client acquisition, Apollo is one of the easiest ways to speed up prospecting and enrich your lists. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to build this exact workflow yourself. And once this is working, the next step is connecting Apollo to cold email sequences and LinkedIn follow-up systems. And by the way, with Apollo.io, you could also use their people data by tapping on people from the left-hand menu option. You'll get access to over 19 million contacts that you can filter through. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.